that rain anymore.
Don't.
I can't.
Actually,
What do you want?
Hurry up!
What?
not waiting all day.
What do you want?
We're going up there with you.
Well,
Sarah!
well, let's go.
Let's go and get on with our fucking lives.
Yeah, that's what I said.
I know, right? Oh, holy crap, hold up.
I've just been quoted.
Quote, you never cease to.
Guys, I just saw lightning right there.
How close?
Oh my God, what harder?
Woo!
Yeah! Hey, what are you doing? Get your own jacket.
Oh my God, Sarah. You're welcome. Shut up there.
Oh God. My phone is in this pocket.
Whoever's pulling on it is pissing me off, really. But
Not. But someone is. God damn.
it is raining so freaking hard right now.
I thought Flores was on
I'm
the
like-
side.
Well,
Yeah.
are we here yet?
I mean, there you go. How about dinner?
And now my shoes are... dude, come on. Really, come on.
I'm sorry, but my fucking phone is in my pocket. And
Mine's
it's
in my
soaked.
hand. You're kind of swiping. You're kind of swiping it from me.
Okay, let's fucking run.
Yeah.
But let's move fast enough to get inside before my fucking phone just...
Yeah. Whoa!
Hold this, Alex. Hold this. Hold it.
Hold on. Wow. Low visibility right now. I'll be in there in just a minute. Damn! Look at that. Over there. It is pouring right now. Visibility is down to 1/4 of a mile right now. Whoa. Jeez! I'm getting sprayed right here. Yeah.